In an earlier ActivTip, we learned how to assign multiple classes to ActivExpression devices. By manually entering all of your students into Inspire, it can be very, very time consuming. In this ActivTip, I'm going to show you how you can import them straight into ActivInspire. Now, the first thing you have to do is create a CSV file, which is most easily created out of Excel. Now, you can go ahead and type your students' names into Excel, or if your gradebook is Excel-based, you can export them into that, or possibly your gradebook is in Excel. So what I have here is my student's first name, their last name, and their student ID. Now, what I need to do is save this as a CSV file. So I go up to File, Save As, and now I'm going to save it as a CSV file because I can pick right here where it says Format. Normally it's going to be saved as an Excel, but I went ahead and pulled it down here to where it says Windows, Separated, which is CSV. So I click on that, click on Class Roster, and then go ahead and click on Save. And so now that I'm back into Inspire, I need to import that CSV file. Now the easiest way to do that is to go up to Edit, and then go to my student database. These are all the students that I have, and I have some of these students, I've already used them before, so I'm going to go ahead and just empty those out. So to bring the data in, I'm going to click on Import. Now I need to navigate to where I saved the file, which is right here on this file, in this folder on my desktop. There's the class roster. I'm going to click on Open. Now where it says Not Mapped, it means the Inspire doesn't know what to do with this data. So this right here is the first name, so I need to tell it that it's the forename, or the first name. And the last name, I need to tell it is the last name. And I need to tell it is the student ID. So now it knows this is the first name, this is the last name, and this is the student ID. I'm going to click Import. And now we can see I have the last name, first name, student ID. Now, I had one column in my Excel file that told me what this was, so I can go ahead and click on this, and I can remove this. And so now I have my students, which I can now put into my classes. And if you watch the ActivTip on assigning classes, you know how easy it is to now assign these to devices. This is a much easier way than you typing these all in under the Add Student. You put it all into Excel, which you probably already have a list of your students that way, and you can import it straight into Inspire. So hopefully this helps you out in using your databases with ActivInspire. Till next time, blue skies, green lights, and happy flip charts.